Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to manage external hard drive files on Windows in 2026. So if your external drive is messy, full, or hard to navigate, this guide will help you organize it properly step by step. First, plug in your external hard drive and open File Explorer. You'll see your drive listed under this PC. Next, sort your files by name, date, or size, so this helps you quickly find large or duplicate files. Now create folders like backup, videos, documents, and projects. This keeps everything structured and easy to manage. So delete files you no longer need. Old backups and duplicate files can take up a lot of space. Next, move important files into a backup folder. This ensures your data is safe in case something happens to your main PC. Finally, always safely eject your external drive before unplugging it. So this prevents file corruption and keeps your drive healthy. And that's how to manage external hard drive files on Windows in 2026. Once you organize folders, remove junk files, and back up properly, your storage will stay clean and reliable. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows file management tutorials. Hey,